Good morning, everybody. Thank you. And I would like to thank the organizer, FHKI, for giving us the opportunity to talk about using big data to build Hong Kong into a smart city. And actually, we have Division of Labor, and our Undersecretary, Dr. Chung, talked more about the community applications of AI, big data, and cloud computing in the community and societal level. And I would focus more on the government initiatives in using big data and AI. According to a study in 2016, 2 years ago, it is estimated that 2.5 times 10 to the power 18 bytes of data were created every day. And actually, this is now, we are in 2018, the figure must be much, much higher. And so much so that 90% of data in the world today has been created in the last 2 years alone. Hong Kong is an international city. We have 7.4 million people living here, attracting around 57 million visitors every year. Every day, we have over 12.6 million passenger trips on the public transport. We also have around 5 million social media users, and with over 4 million users logging onto the social media platforms every day. The busy life here generates huge amount of data in great speed every day. Yet, according to a study by Digital Universe, only 0.5% of data available is ever analyzed. Through big data analytics, we hope to liberate the great potentials of the rest of 99.5% of the data. What can big data analytics help us? It helps us to, first, understand what has happened. Second, make better forecasts. Third, improve efficiency of operations and client services. To take the Electrical and Mechanical Services Department as an example, EMSD provides a wide range of electrical and mechanical engineering services to over 80 government departments and public bodies in Hong Kong. For improving energy efficiency in government buildings, they are eager to understand what are the significant factors attributing to the energy usage of the buildings. On the equipment maintenance services, EMSD also wants to make better forecasts on which equipment is more vulnerable and should be inspected with higher priority. Big data analytics enable the departments to understand the factors behind the issues and make better forecasts, helping them to better allocate resources and plan for plan for predictive maintenance, hence improving efficiency of their internal operations and their client services. Big data analytics in government, and we are making use of big data and AI in the government, which in turn help improve performance monitoring, enable higher efficiency of government's internal operations, and improve decision-making, and hence result in better public services. Within the government, some departments have already applied big data analytics for improving operational efficiency and public services. As Dr. Chung just mentioned, the 1823 hotline is employing big data technology to provide bureaus and departments with insights obtained from complaints and inquiries to help them improve public service delivery. I will explain a little bit more here. The 1823 hotline service conducts data mining on the vast amount of information collected during the daily interactions with citizens. There are many cases that can be resolved by the 1823 help desks. However, there are still some unresolved inquiries or complaints which are referred back to the concerned departments for follow-up. These cases are in fact indicators of missing information in the 1823 knowledge base, or may point to the need for the department concerned to reallocate resources to tackle a rising number of complaints in a particular area. The findings can provide valuable indications about how to improve daily operation and ultimately improve the value of services delivered to the public. Another example is Hong Kong Observatory. Hong Kong Observatory has been studying the potential applications of big data in weather forecast. As early as 2015, Hong Kong Observatory developed the Intelligent Climate Data Analysis System for weather analysis and monitoring. By analyzing collections of massive climatic data, weather systems that have caused the prevailing weather conditions can be identified. It helps predict the possible changes of these weather systems and make more accurate weather forecasts and issuance of appropriate weather warnings. Another example is the Marine Department. Marine Department monitors and tracks vessels navigating in the waters of Hong Kong. By analyzing vessel travel data, which include information about the vessels, the real-time positions of the vessels, and geographical information of that locations, events and activities of the vessels, MD Marine Department, that is, predicts the vessel movement, that is the time and locations of vessels when they pass through the watercourse of Hong Kong. The prediction of vessel traffic facilitates better control and management of sea transport, as well as enable real-time vessel regulation in Hong Kong. In fact, there are more to come. More AI and big data projects will be carried out by various government departments in 2018, including those that follow. First, OGCIOs will pilot a cybersecurity information sharing partnership program, which provides a sharing platform making use of AI and big data technologies to analyze cybersecurity intelligence and share those cybersecurity threats with the community in order to enhance Hong Kong's overall defense and resilience capability against cyber attacks. Second, energizing Kowloon East Office of the Development Bureau will study the feasibility of monitoring illegal parking by applying image analysis technology for trial run in Kowloon East. Third, the Efficiency Unit plans to upgrade the 1823 website and introduce chatbot service, enabling members of the public to use the 1823 services to obtain government information more efficiently. Fourth, Custom and Excise Department studies the development of a cargo big data system to enhance risk management capability in the department's cargo clearing process. Fifth, Hong Kong Police Force will start a feasibility study on an automation system for the collection, classification, and association and cybercrime data so as to better tackle the cybercrime issues. We also have infrastructure projects. To ensure the wider adoption of big data within the government with economies of scale, the Chief Executive announced in 2017 policy address, as well as promulgated by the Smart City Blueprint, there will be a key infrastructure project for smart city development. A big data analytics platform will be built and launched in 2020, riding on a new generation of government cloud infrastructure, which will also be set up in the same time frame. Through resources sharing and adoption of big data and AI, we aim to enhance the operation efficiency, further improve city management, and provide more efficient and reliable public services. The Big Data Analytics Platform will also assist departments in adopting AI technologies to formulate policies and open data for public use. To ensure the wider adoption of big data analytics in the government, we have been working on 3 areas. First, data. Data itself is the core and major enabler in big data analytics. The new big data platform will facilitate government departments sharing and linking up data securely and appropriately from different sources. The sources include the government department's internal data or the data available in the public domain. The purpose is for the implementation of joined-up applications of multiple departments, thus increasing the value of the data. Big data applications may involve real-time data. A digital highway will be built as part of the big data analytics platform that will enable real-time data transfer and sharing for use in big data applications. The digital highway will also enable sharing of real-time data to the open data portal, that is the data.gov.hk. This will support the government's open data initiative, which is notably one of the 8 key focus areas to drive innovation and technology as announced in the Policy Address 2017. Second, expertise. Human capital is the most important factor for wider adoption of big data analytics. We need to build up a strong workforce in the government that is skillful in data management, in data analytics with good insight in business. Through leveraging skills from external expertise, internal training and development, and the actual big data application development experience, in particular those involving data from multiple government departments, we will be able to strengthen the government capability in big data analytics. Third, tools and platform. Riding on the government cloud infrastructure, the new big data analytics platform will provide analytics tools, AI tools, and high-performance hardware to enable government departments to quickly develop and deploy the big data models and applications. We strive to build Hong Kong into a world-class smart city. The smart city blueprint for Hong Kong covers 6 major areas, namely smart mobility, smart living, smart environment, smart people, smart government, and smart economy. Big data and open data are 2 of the major initiatives in the blueprint. They underpin the smart government, smart mobility, smart living, and smart people. I would like to introduce them one by one briefly. Under smart government, we will open up more public and private data in digital formats to facilitate research and innovation, while the government one-stop open data portal. Starting with the health, transport, education sectors from 2018. And we will promote using open data for smart city innovations by the public. And we will adopt DID common login in 2020 and enhance these services using experience with the help of artificial intelligence, chatbot, and big data analytics. We will build a big data analytics platform, as I mentioned before, in 2020, which will enable real-time data transmission and sharing among government departments. Smart mobility, we will continue to encourage public transport operators to open up their data more expeditiously. Smart living, hospital authority will set up a big data analytics platform on a pilot basis to facilitate healthcare-related research in 2019 and start adopting a smart hospital approach, including the use of automatic system interface and vital sign devices, and hospital navigation applications for piloting in new hospital projects by 2020. Under smart people, we are nurturing young talent. We will attract and retain more innovation and technology professionals, especially in biotechnology, data science, artificial intelligence, robots, and cybersecurity. The government will launch a fast-track innovation and technology talent admission scheme this year. To conclude, big data and open data support all areas of smart city. Upon implementation of the above initiative, we will be able to enjoy better traffic planning and management through enhanced use of data analytics. We will be able to have a local supply of data scientists and other technology practitioners in need. We will be able to build more innovative applications and services using open data. We will be able to improve public services through the adoption of technology under a data-driven approach. In summary, the government strives to build Hong Kong into a world-class smart city by leveraging on cloud computing and with the application of AI. Big data analytics will play an important role for developing Hong Kong, allowing our residents to enjoy improved public services, better quality of well-being, and a more livable city. Thank you very much.